Right.
Soon to play for something.
Yeah, just give me a ring or
Something
something.
between 1 and 1:30.
Yeah, that works. Because that'll get us, we'll get through everything we can.
Are you working on the job at someone's house?
No, at Tom's office, which is like around the corner.
Oh.
Right, so Mike's getting everything kind of situated. You need to put that both the other ones, the one in the back and then the other one that Wick made a cap for.
Oh, this one right here.
Oh, yeah, so that could go in as well. There you go.
Eldorados? Nope.
That would depend, like, if you live in Northern California, where I live, no one's right. But if you live here,
Is there another little metal squinkle
probably
clip
10, 20%.
It was, yeah.
We need a clip of some sort
or whatever clip is out there?
for the back side.
Need a light?
Yeah. God, isn't it supposed to be? I need a pair of pliers.
Right there on top.
Needle nose. Oh,
Yep.
God. Look at that.
And I got these 2 clips left.
Okay, let me wrestle this linkage in. Okay, that's in.
Got a totter pin and a squiggle clip.
By clip, is this the kind of clip you're talking about?
Someone's working.
Oh, I just found this one, so I think this is what is. Which one is that? Back up.
Oh, we have a bunch of those.
Butterflies in the gasket or something?
No, it's
So make something more.
Paul just being very calm and confident with everyone tearing his Oldsmobile apart. People tearing his Oldsmobile apart. Although technically at this point, putting it back together.
Yeah.
I do know Team Fuel Pump was done hours ago.
Some field club in there.
Yeah, but I heard they were on steroids, so it don't count.
No,
Yeah,
just
exactly.
drunk
It's
and laying under the
disqualified.
car.
Why is this not acting? Okay. Are you rolling, Grant?
Yes.
Okay, so we have our throttle. Paul, do you want to hit your throttle one more time for me?
Paul hitting throttle.
Okay. And when we're done with that clip, once that's in, and I'll do the
Ooh,
fire.
look, it all moved.
All right, now let it up. Beautiful. Paul, we're in business, my friend.
All right. Wow.
Okay.
God, you guys are busy.
Grant, do you want to just airdrop me that? Safety third.
That cabinet over there.
I'll do the throttle when it's time.
Where are all the lights and everything that were in here?
There's one light still on the frame, which is fine because you can watch the fuel pump. All right, just crank it. It's going to take a little bit, so. Oh yeah, you're going to need the key. Paul needs the key. That's a good thing.
I thought Oldsmobile said hand cranks.
Yeah, so on Friday I sent that out.
Woo.
He said he never got it.
Yeah.
He said, oh,
I don't. Whatever robot this was in the newest freaking Star Wars, I don't like this.
BB-8.
Yeah, whatever.
Yeah, whatever. Now it works, right?
It's all about geometry, apparently.
Yeah, imagine that shit, eh?
Crank, crank, crank.
Yeah, just crank. Keep an eye on that fuel bowl down there and see if it pulls up. All right, Paul, stop. How's it looking down there?
I can't.
Because there's a bowl that should be filling.
I think it's filling.
Do we have a can of brake clean?
I'm pretty. No, actually, I'm pretty sure the bowl's filling.
Okay, well, we're going to get a
Okay.
can of brake clean, and we're going to just fill the fuel bowl a little bit.
Why brake clean versus starter fluid?
Oh, yeah, started.
Oh, yeah, starting fluid's rough on it.
Do a little brake clean, actually.
Brake clean's a little better. Oh, Allie's filming back there, too. Ooh, dual cam.